Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make an outdoor cushion using one of Spotlight's furnishing fabrics in 4 easy steps. It's easier than you think. All the materials you need for this project are available at Spotlight. You'll need 1 metre of fabric, a 46 centimetre square cushion insert, sewing machine, a tape measure, some Gooderman thread, pins, scissors and a seam ripper. Cut a 46 centimetre square from the fabric for the cushion front and two 33 centimetre by 46 centimetre rectangles for the cushion back. For the cushion backs, fold and pin under 1.5 centimetres on the long side of each rectangle and then top stitch the hem in place. With the cushion front right side up, place one hemmed back piece face down on top, aligning the top raw edges with the hemmed edge towards the centre and pin this in place. Then place your second piece on the other end, again aligning your raw edges with your seamed piece in the middle and then pin everything in place. Sew together around all 4 sides using a 1 centimetre seam allowance. Clip the corners and overlock or zigzag the seams just to neaten. Turn the cover the right side out and press flat, and then place a size 18 insert into the cover with the back edges overlapping. This is just one of the projects you can make with Spotlight. It's easier than you think.